It happened so fast, just a second's distraction and the moment passed. It turned so grim, the blood flowed free, a bandage needed for all to see. Work came to a halt, I couldn't proceed. At the end of the detail, my finger did bleed. You always have to watch out, it can happen so fast. A moment's lapse and it's happened at last. Eyes open, stay aware, in a blink it's there. Be careful, take care, to prevent mistakes, beware. Beware. A scalpel slice, so deep and clear. A moment of carelessness and pain was near. The blood flowed quick, the pain was grand. A bandage wrapped tight, it fell from my hand. Hands trembling, work had to stop. In my moment of despair, I found strength through to prod. You always have to watch out, it can happen so fast. A moment's lapse and it's happened at last. Eyes open, stay aware, in a blink it's there. Be careful, take care, to prevent mistakes, beware. Within to face the day through trials and pain.